Very welcome to this Quintus Customer Conversation. My name is Sture Olsson. I'm the Business Development Manager for Sheet Metal Forming at Quintus Technologies. Today I'm pleased to welcome ITP Aero to this conversation. So warmly welcome Mr. Jesus Catalina and Mrs. Sara Rodriguez. Very welcome.
Good morning. My name is Jesus Catalina. I'm the Managing Director of ITP Aero Externals, which is one of ITP Aero's operational units.
So hello, my name is Sara Rodriguez and I'm the technical responsible for the Flexforming technology here at ITP Aero.
So may I ask you to please give an overview of the company ITP?
ITP Aero is a world-leading company within this market. Currently, we are the 9th largest aircraft engine and components company in the world by revenue. We develop aeronautical technologies, products and services that contribute to a more efficient and sustainable aviation. And we do so by investing in the development of proprietary technology. In the last 6 years, we have invested in research, development and innovation the amount of 400 million euros. We are a tier 1 in the aeronautic sector with a revenue close to 1 billion euros in 2019, present in 5 countries where we carry out our activities. Among these activities, we have the design, research and development, casting, manufacturing, assembling and testing of aeronautical modules and engines. We also provide MRO services for a wide range of engines for regional airlines, business aviation, helicopters, industrial and defense applications. And within ITP Aero portfolio, our unit, ITP Externals, is in charge of the externals components of the engines, also known as dressing, such as fluid systems, structures, and other elements. Mainly aeronautic pipes for the diverse fuel, oil, and air systems, but also complex fabrications based in sheet metal technology.
So Mrs. Rodriguez, may I ask you, how does the Quintus press then fit into your overall production?
Well, we have a wide portfolio of geometries in complex fabrications with very peculiar features in most of our parts, and that's why we chose the Flexforming technology, because it is able to adapt to different features in a repetitive way, and that is key to not only improve the quality, but also to allow the automation.
Interesting. I know that you earlier used external suppliers for fabricated part. May you share some experiences now or the benefits of insourcing the production?
Yeah, having all the production in-house has allowed us to make some improvements that before were difficult to get. For example, we have a part that when it was done outside, it was being produced in 4 different parts. Now that we have it here, we can do those 4 parts in just one. So we now avoid all the welding, improving all the quality, the costs, and the lead time. So that has been quite good, and we have done that in several parts.
For Quintus, long-term partnership is very important. May I ask you, how has the collaboration with Quintus worked out so far?
Yeah, for ITP Aero, reducing the time to market is key. So before we had the machine, we were collaborating with Quintus in a very good way. They helped us developing new parts, and we did some trials with them, so we could get some knowledge in advance before we had the machine here. For example, I still remember one question that the design team made us to know about the feasibility of a difficult feature, and before we had the machine, Quintus reached an agreement with us, and we did some trials there at Busterus, and we were able to give an answer before we had the machine. So that was very helpful.
Can you also give us or share an example of a technical service issue where you've seen a good collaboration with Quintus?
Yeah, this year we experienced an unexpected malfunction in the machine, so we immediately called Quintus, and we received quick support both on the phone, via email, and also they remotely connect to the machine. They advise on the test that we should do to understand the problem. And once it was understood, they sent via express transport some spares so we could change them and the problem was fixed. And even once it was fixed, they came here to visit the facility and to keep investigating what had happened. Also, after the visit, we had a meeting where they made some suggestions on how to improve it, and they gave us very robust actions to stop that problem.
If I may ask a closing question, is there anything like you would like to add when it comes to why you made the investment in the Quintus Press or about the collaboration with Quintus Technologies?
As ITP Aero, we want to grow, definitely. That will mean for us new part numbers, new challenges, new capacities, and we expect Quintus to be with us, and in that sense that we to grow together.
Mr. Catalina and Mrs. Rodriguez, thank you very much for sharing your experiences with us today. And for our viewers, thank you very much for joining us. And very much look forward to see you next time. And bye for now.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.